Hey, this is Nicole with DoMyOwn.com. Today we're going to be talking about the basics of winterizing your fall lawn. Let's talk about what a winterizing fertilizer is. It's exactly what it sounds like. It's a fertilizer that you're going to apply to your lawn late in the season, and it's applied to cool season grasses. And the reason that you want it is because it's going to bolster the nutrients of your lawn to help get it through that winter season and turn out gorgeous the next season. One important thing to note, if you have a warm season grass, there's no need to winterize your lawn. Your lawn is going to go dormant during those winter months, and it's going to wake up again next spring and begin its growing season. So this winterizing fertilizer tip really only applies to those cool season grasses. The best time to apply your winterizing fertilizer on your lawn is when those cooler temperatures start to creep in. Your grass is still going to be a little green on the top, and underneath it's still going to be active. So that's going to be the best time to apply that fertilizer. Depending on your location, this application could take place anywhere from late September all the way through December. In the transition zones, it's likely going to be December for those southern transition zones, and the northern transition zones may be mid to late November. What is the best winterizer for my lawn? Well, the best winterizer fertilizers are going to be nitrogen-based. They are going to be a water-soluble nitrogen, and when you're looking at the package, the first number that you see was going to be the nitrogen content. And you're also going to want to find a water-soluble nitrogen that has urea or ammonium sulfate in with it as well. How do I apply this? First off, you want to read the label. The label is going to have your application rates, how many pounds per square feet. Second thing you're going to need to make sure that you do is calibrate your spreader. If you've never calibrated a spreader before, don't worry. We have a really great video on exactly how to do that on our page. When applying your winterizing fertilizer through your spreader, you're going to want to go up and down your lawn in straight, even rows, being careful not to do any overlapping. I really hope this helped answer a lot of your questions today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.